This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. This video will show you how to safely attach and detach your HT snowplow. Attaching your snowplow. Pull the pin release handle and push down to pull out the connecting pins. Drive your vehicle slowly towards the snowplow to engage the push plates into the pockets on the headgear. Plug in the electrical harnesses and turn the cab control on. Activate the float mode by pushing the lower function. The green float light indicator will come on the control when activated. Standing in front of the blade, push the connecting pin handle towards the vehicle to release the connecting pins. Using the headgear push bar, push the headgear toward the vehicle to allow the connecting pins to fully engage the push plates. Pull and hold the jack lock out. Use the jack handle to raise the jack fully and release the jack lock. Repeat on the opposite side. Detaching your snowplow. When detaching your snowplow, ensure the snowplow is on a hard, flat level surface and that the blade is in the straight position. With the vehicle in park, lower the snowplow to the ground. Pull and hold the jack lock out and lower the jack legs to the ground. Verify that the jack is locked by trying to lift the jack. Repeat on the opposite side. With the control in the float mode, stand in front of the blade. While pushing the headgear toward the vehicle, pull the pin release handle down to disengage the connecting pins. Make sure both connecting pins are fully retracted. Unplug the electrical connections and slowly back away from the snowplow. Thank you for watching this video. For any more questions on detaching or attaching your HT snowplow, please contact your local Fisher dealer.